East Brunswick, New Jersey, exit 9 on the Turnpike, a town located in the middle of everything. 40 minutes from Manhattan, 40 minutes from the world-famous Jersey Shore, 40 minutes from Newark International Airport, and 40 minutes from the Sticks. No matter where you are at in East Brunswick, you're a car ride away from anywhere you want to go in the state. You know, East Brunswick really is an accessible town. You can hop on Route 18 and it connects to East Brunswick to New Brunswick or Rutgers, the Jersey Shore, Route 1, and the New Jersey Turnpike.
You can get to the shore in a half hour, you get to Philly in an hour, so pretty much everything you need right there.
We're also very close to New York City, so it's only a matter of an hour drive at the most to get into New York City.
East Brunswick is a Blue Ribbon School System. A Blue Ribbon School System is a non-profit organization that is dedicated to recognizing excellence in education. From the 9 elementary schools through the middle schools to the high school, East Brunswick is noted for the education excellence.
East Brunswick is known for their Blue Ribbon School System. I'm a product of that myself, from all the way down from the elementary schools all the way up to the high school, and it's definitely known for its great school system, which I'm very proud to say.
There is a lot to do in East Brunswick. Bring the family and your baseball bat and some swimming trunks.
So there's a great amount of recreational activities. They just put a skate park in a couple years ago. They got Crystal Springs. It's like a water park, a manager's field, a lot of fields. There's football field.
I enjoy East Brunswick because of all the different things that you can do. There's many parks, nature trails, there's shopping in the area. Everything you could possibly want is centrally located.
Crystal Springs, the dog park, and Manager's Field are just 3 things that East Brunswick have to offer that are known all around the county. And each year, the Middlesex County Fair is held in August in East Brunswick at the Middlesex County Fairgrounds, and that's a big smash throughout the state of New Jersey. There have been a few famous residents in the history of East Brunswick, whether it has been Mark Ecko, the noted Pepsi girl Haley Eisenberg, newly released Adventureland's Jesse Eisenberg, Olympic gold medalist Heather O'Reilly, or VJ Matt Pinfield. Throughout time, the town has changed. It started out 150 years ago as a rural farmland and has escalated into a booming suburban community. Once a small community, East Brunswick now houses close to 50,000 residents. Route 18 used to be a small 2-lane road with a few gas stations and shops. Now it's a traffic jam megatropolis of shopping and restaurants. Cranberry Road and Old Bridge Turnpike used to be dirt roads. Now they hold many homes, stores, and businesses. I mean, come on, the high school used to be a giant apple orchard. Either way, East Brunswick may not be the most entertaining town. It's possibly one of the more boring towns, but you gotta love it. I mean, there isn't even a hockey team, but we have a good time here, and the people generally enjoy it.